Did you know that healing actually follows a specific order? Well, in holistic medicine, we follow an order, what's called therapeutic order, which is a structured approach that guides how we intervene in health issues, and it determines how we're going to support the body in its ability to heal. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, my name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space, and you've stumbled on part of our intro to holistic medicine course. There's still time to register if you'd like. It's an absolutely free course. It's 12 weeks, so it's kind of involved. However, we walk you through the process of holistic health, foundational modalities, as well as if you want to choose to do this as a career as a holistic health coach and train under me. Also this week, we have Morning Flow, Jumping Start, back on Tuesday morning, 6 a.m. So if I'm ever not on live, replays are available in the playlist. Our Intro to Holistic Medicine class is recorded live Wednesdays at 7 p.m. as well as Saturdays at 11 a.m. And then those classes are closed off and put in the shell so you can watch them for free and then be a part of the course. This week particularly, I will be on Hunter Pax's YouTube and TikTok channel, Wednesday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Another panelist discussing holistic health. So I'll be with a whole bunch of people. So definitely check that out. Our stress webinar finally on Thursday for our weekly Thursday Lunch and Learn. So definitely don't miss that because there's tons of information about stress. So replays are available upon registration afterwards. Okay, so let's talk about therapeutic order. So the first step when we want to heal, right, or heal the body or heal ourselves is to create a foundation of healing. So that means we're going to be prioritizing our nutrition. So what we're eating, how we're digesting, assimilating, our hydration, our movement, our stress reduction, really our basics, our kind of activities of daily living in a sense, right? That are lifestyle activities that we need to make sure of. So making sure you're drinking half your body weight in ounces in water, check. Making sure you're eating adequate amounts of protein, check. Making sure you're getting 7 to 8 hours of sleep, check. All of these things, 10,000 steps a day, check. So we have these foundational pieces that we need to make sure we get up to board with. Sometimes people struggle just with getting the foundations. And if we don't have a health foundation, surely we're not going to be able to build traction on healing the body. So in therapeutic order, we focus on that first, and then we begin to stimulate the body's natural self-healing organisms, or natural mechanisms, rather. It is an organism which has mechanisms, right? And so we'll use different things like breath work, meditation, supplementation, specific nutrition plans, elimination diets, energy healing, detoxification, all sorts of things. But really, it's more so designed to, in this perspective anyway, it's really designed more nutritionally to support. So any areas of the body that are weak, maybe we need to, give a little bit of herbal support here. We need to give, some nutritional support there. So it's additional. It's kind of like adding to the body, because the CDC has studied and said that 80% of chronic diseases can be prevented or managed with foundational lifestyle changes. That's right. So we can get that first foundational therapeutic order together. It's so powerful because that can knock out so many different conditions and symptoms just simply based off of nutrient deficiency. So if we're following the order, right, now we are reducing dependency on medications, because really the order is, supporting that foundation, stimulating the body's ability to heal itself, detoxification practices, and then eventually we get into movement and making sure that the body structurally is in order. So, making sure that there's no, hiccups with that in terms of movement or subluxations. And then from there, we can look at, synthetics, right? But really in therapeutic order, we first look at those foundational pieces. So when we follow that order, oftentimes we reduce dependency on medications, and we're avoiding this symptom suppression. We're avoiding this quick fix, cauldron we get into where we're obsessed with fixing the problem or finding the problem. And so when we get off that hamster wheel of reactivity of our health and begin to move more in proactivity and follow a therapeutic order, then we begin to find traction, and then we begin to see, the success of the things that we're doing. Or we see that we need to maybe shift some things. So great conversation. I'm looking forward to deepening this conversation as we move into Hering's Law of Cure, which is an ability ability to recognize if the body is truly healing or not. So definitely check that out. Again, if you still want to register for Intro to Holistic Medicine, this is a self-guided course. So you can go ahead and click the link in the bio, register, and away you go on the journey with us. We are in week 4 right now, but you can start back at week 1, or you can jump in and then kind of circle back. So whatever you prefer, just go with the flow, and definitely check out some of my morning flows because it's a great way to live and practice a holistic lifestyle.